to Vidya Mirat. This video is made for class 6 on chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers, and today we have reached to exercise 1.3. Now this exercise is basically on the rounding of the digits to the nearest possible. So let us use it. Question number 1. Estimate each of the following using general rule. You are given 730 plus 998. So we will just use our estimating rule for the round of digits and we will write down in hundreds or thousands. So 730 can be converted nearest to 100. So we know that if the numbers are below 50, then the previous number will be taken. If it is more, then the next number will be taken. So 730, so 30 is less than 50, so the nearest is 700. 998, it is 98 is more than 50, so I will take it to the next, that becomes 1000. So 700 plus 1000, the answer is 1700. Next, 796 minus 314, so we can convert it into nearest 100. 796, if I look, 96 is more than 50, so the next number I will take 800. 314, 14 is less than 50, so I will take the previous number, that is 300. So 800 minus 300, I get 500. 12904 plus 2888. So we can convert it nearest to thousands, which is easy. Now 12904, that means 904 is more than 500, so I will take the next number, it becomes 13,000. So 2888, so 888 is also more than 500, so I will take the next number, that is 3000. So 13,000 plus 3000 give me 16,000. Next, 28292 minus 21496. So let us convert it nearest to 1000. So 28,000 it will become 21,000 it will become. Why? Because in 28,292, 292 is less than 500. So I will use 28,000. 21496, 496 is again less than 500. So I will take 21,000. So 28,000 minus 21,000 gives me 7,000. Make 10 more such examples of addition, subtraction and estimation of their outcome. Now I have taken couple of examples, 10. You can choose any of your example, whatever you feel like. Any of the thousands, nearest to thousands you can take. You can add or you can subtract. It's your way of doing it. So I am just showing you what kind of examples I have taken. You can choose your numbers and you can give the examples for that. Next, give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest 10. So the number given to us is 439, 334, 4317. If I do it nearest to 100, so 439 will become 400, 334 will become 300 and 4317 will become 4300. Add them together, you get 5000. Now when I do nearest to tens, so 439 will become 440, 334 will become 330, 4317 will become 4320. So you will look at the ones place, more than 5 or less than 5. Total becomes 5090. Next, 108734 minus 47599. Now 108734, when I convert nearest to hundreds, we see that 34 is less than 50. So it becomes 108700. Next, 47599. So 99 is more than 50. So 500 will become 600. So subtract them, you get 61100. Now let us do it nearest to tens. So 108734 will become 108730 because 4 is less than 5. 47599. So 9 is more than 5. You will take it to the next digit. So it becomes 47600 because 9 will become 10. So 5 will become 6. On subtracting, you get 61130. Next, 8 8325 minus 491. Let's do it. 8325 nearest to 100 is 8300 and 491 nearest to 100 is 500. Subtract it, you get 7800. Let's do it nearest to tens. So 8325 nearest to 10, next number will become 8330. 5 or more than 5. And 491 will become 490. Subtract it, you get 7840. 489348 minus 48365. So when you do this 489348, it becomes 489300 nearest to 100 as 48 is less than 50. 48365. Now 65 is more than 50, so it will become 400. On subtracting, you get 440900. Let's do it nearest to tens. So 489348. So 8 is more than 5. It becomes 50 then. 489350. 48365. Now 5 is again we will take it to the next number. So it becomes 48370. Subtract them. Your answer is 440980. Make 4 such examples, so you can choose any of the 4-digit number or 5-digit, whatever you feel like, addition or subtraction. You have to again convert it nearest to hundreds and you have to convert it nearest to tens. On solving, get the required answer. You can choose any of the combination which you want or your numbers. So I am just showing it for your convenience that you have to take 4 examples accordingly. Next, estimate the following products using journal rule. Now 578 into 161. So let's convert it nearest to hundreds. 578 will become 600. 161 will become 200. So 600 into 200 is 1,20,000. Next, 5281 multiply by 3491. Let me convert nearest to 1000. So it becomes 5000 multiplied by 3000. So you will get 15 and you will get 5 zeros with that. 6 zeros, sorry. 1291 into 592. So 1291 becomes 1300, 592 becomes 600. Multiply, you get 7,80,000. 9250 multiply by 29. So 9250 becomes 9,000. 29 becomes 30. Multiply becomes 2,70,000. Make 4 such more examples. So you can pick any of your numbers and round it off to near hundreds or thousand, and you can find out the final answer easily. That's all for this exercise, children. It was quite simple, the estimation part. Do watch the previous concept video on this for the easier understanding. I hope you must have found it very easy. Thank you so much, children, for watching the video till the end. Very soon I am going to come with the next. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.